Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been buzzing around the tech community. Is DevOps on the decline? Before you panic or start updating your resume, let's break down what's really happening in the world of DevOps. First off, why the sudden concern? Well, some industry reports and headlines might suggest a downturn in the DevOps job market. But as with any evolving field, it's essential to look beyond the surface. Yes, there has been a slight fluctuation in the number of job postings for DevOps roles recently. This could be attributed to several factors like economic conditions, evolving technology stacks, or even seasonal hiring trends. However, it's crucial to note that DevOps as a practice is more critical than ever. Companies are increasingly relying on DevOps principles to streamline their software development processes, enhance collaboration between teams, and deliver products faster and with higher quality. For instance, take companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Google. They've built their entire operations around DevOps methodologies, enabling them to scale rapidly and innovate continuously. Furthermore, the demand for skilled DevOps professionals remains strong. Businesses across industries are actively seeking individuals who can bridge the gap between development and operations, automate processes, and ensure reliable software delivery. Experts predict that DevOps will continue to evolve, incorporating new technologies like AI and machine learning, and expanding into areas such as DevSecOps, integrating security into DevOps practices. So, is DevOps dying? Absolutely not. It's adapting, growing, and becoming even more integral to the future of software development. If you're already in the field or considering a career in DevOps, now is the time to stay updated, keep learning, and seize the opportunities that this dynamic field offers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video insightful, and subscribe to stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of tech. Until next time, keep coding and keep innovating. Thank you for watching.